And welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a V6 versus a V8 sound test, and the adjudicator will be my assistant cameraman, as you'll figure out towards the end of the video. But today we've got this beautiful Tango Red V6 twin turbo AS5 from Audi. Needs a bit of a dust up before it goes into the showroom. So we'll certainly look at the inside, because that's what I would like to bring up as a little later on, and as we come out of the driveway. It looks gorgeous. This particular photograph, I think, is particularly handsome. But please, whoever specs your cars, stop with the Alcantara on your steering wheel and the gear lever. It gets minging within about 15 minutes, certainly if you track it.
Just videoing
now,
the Bentley.
over to my assistant cameraman.
Look at that, guys. It's a nice Bentley. I'll show you inside soon, but I'm gonna have to open the car. But look at this front. Look at that. It's nice. Hey, okay, that looks good. Okay, good. Look at this. It's perfect.
And she most certainly is. Look at her. What a majestic beast. Can you say majestic? Is that female, male? I'm not sure. But she's gorgeous, and she's ready to go. And both of these cars are available for sale, and I'll put the links down in the description. Both good value compared to their original price tags. Now, on to the most important part of the video. It's the sound check. At this point we had to move outside because the cameraman was slightly scared. Sounded better in the cabin. Over to the old timer V8. God, that sounds like a lion.
That's so nice.
I think we've got a winner.